To add a Figma prototype to Wix, you need to have a Wix website and a Figma account. Start by creating your prototype in Figma. This involves designing the layout, user interface and user experience of your website. Once you have completed your design, go to the Figma website and click on the Share button. Then click on Get Embed Link. This will provide you with a link that you can use to embed your prototype on other websites. Copy the link and log in to your Wix account. Navigate to the page where you want to add the prototype. Click on the plus icon to add a new element. Then click on More, and select HTML iframe. Paste the embed link into the iframe and adjust the size and settings as needed. Make sure the link is secure by changing HTTP to HTTPS if necessary. To make the prototype interactive, you need to add a parameter to the embed link. This parameter is called iframe. It allows the prototype to be displayed in an iframe and still be interactive. Add the iframe parameter to the embed link and paste it back into the iframe in Wix. Finally, click on Apply and then click on Publish to make the changes live on your website. Your Figma prototype should now be visible and interactive on your Wix website, allowing you to test and showcase your design to others. This is a great way to validate your design and gather feedback before moving forward with development. By following these steps, you can easily add a Figma prototype to your Wix website and take advantage of the benefits of using both platforms. This includes the ease of use and flexibility of Wix, and the powerful design and prototyping capabilities of Figma.